educators, we have a responsibility to remind those who think that giving power to the people who are not progressive will assist the nation. It's a responsibility as othisha ukufundisa. We have a responsibility of reminding those who are now asking questions like, yet that person is driving a nice BM because of the benefits or because of the conducive environment that person is operating on because of the African National Congress-led government. Yeah. Umuzi umuntu. Yamazi umuntu. Kunesibili sokuthi next week we have a SATU meeting, we have a NATO meeting, we have a Sarell meeting, and our learners will go home early. Then after that, you have your rights at work, but you are telling us to never vote. I can't get without my benefits. I tell you, no, it's because of 1994. It's because we are now led by the ANC as government, a party that understands human rights. Yeah. I might not get an opportunity to come here and remind you where we come from as educators. For each and every 5 educators in a school, the 6th one is an HOD. Who come back, Lord? We have the senior educators who are getting paid for the mere fact that they are senior educators. What my tata the women of Bazilun? Yeah. You know, to those who goes to Emaromeni, there's a song that I like, that's Emaromeni. Though I was very much happy when we opened here, Itulula Sarell was saying, and I was happy because I grew up in under the Lutheran Church, though was situation Anglican. So Abasemaromeni, they sing the song. My granny was on the Maromeni. Waiti kumbula Maria kumbula. Kumbula Maria. That's the line. That's the line as we are approaching May 29. Kumbola. Ngoba. It's not guaranteed. Ngoba, it's not guaranteed. I always tell people that I'm staying under UMzinyathi District. UMzinyathi District, we had water. UMzinyathi District, we had water. Though we had challenges, but we had water. But if you go there now, you will find that there are communities who will tell you that they last had water 2 months ago. It's because of the mistake they did in November 2021. Ngakho-ke sengizohlala phansi ngithi othisha Coming from uthisha, singakhohlwa la sivela khona. Ngoba sinakho is not guaranteed masingenza ngenye indlela. But with the African National Congress-led government, the future is guaranteed. Thank you very much.